Hi friends, welcome back. In previous video we saw how we can send our website contact form data to our email. So if you missed that video, then please check out our YouTube channel and watch that video. That might be helpful for you. So now in this video we will know how we can disable this inspect button in our website. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for that, go to your VS Code or any editor. Here this is my HTML form code. Now here we will add some script. So let's see what's that. Here write document dot add event listener, so that we can get the event when anyone right click. Here context menu, function, event. Now here we will type a alert and a message, inspect not allowed. You can type your own message also, and you can leave it if you don't want to show any message or any alert. Then you can remove this line. Now we will define event, parent, sorry, it will be prevent default function. Now let's save and let's try is it working or not. Here I will refresh my page. Now I will to right click. Here you can see inspect not allowed. So guys, note down this code, this script for your further use. And if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and visit our YouTube channel where I have uploaded many videos on VS Code extensions and Chrome extensions. So please check out those videos. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.